Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha videos. This video is for 10th class and the chapter is real numbers. From logarithms exercise 1.5, we are going to discuss third bit in this exercise. So here is your third bit. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y if it is given x equal to log 3 base 2 and y equal to log 5 base 2. Okay, so before going to the problems you should be perfect with the formulas of logarithms, then you can easily solve any type of problem. Okay, so let us solve this problem. So log 15 base 2. So here he gave x equal to log 3 base 2 and y equal to log 5 base 2. Okay, so this 15 whatever is there you should write this 15 in terms of 3 and 5 because in the given data he gave 3 and 5. So whatever 15 is there we can write it in terms of 3 and 5, right? So 3 and 5 means 15 equals to 3 into 5, right? So this 15 you should write in terms of 3 and 5 and then use the correct property. Then you can easily denote this log 15 base 2 in terms of x and y. Okay, let us see how we can represent. So log 15 base 2, this can be written as 3 into 5. 15 is written as 3 into 5, right? So here it is in terms of x. Suppose if you take like xy into in between and here log, here instead of 2 if you take the base as a, so this formula is log xy base a. So for the properties you please follow the link given in the description so that you can easily solve these problems. So here x into y, whenever the logarithm are under multiplication the log will be with plus. So log x plus log y to the base anything, any base it may be log x plus log y. So here whenever multiplication is there the formula is with plus and log is given to both of them. Okay, so here we should use log xy formula. So log x base a plus log x base y base a. Okay, now we'll use this formula to this one. So here our x is 3 and our y is 5. Okay, so I substituted in place of x 3 and in place of y I substituted 5. So now already he has given log 3 base 2 means it is x, right? So instead of log 3 base 2 I wrote x and log 5 base 2 is y. So he asked to express this log 15 base 2 in terms of x and y. So I denoted in terms of x and y. We finished with this. So simple, whatever number is given here that one you should write in terms of 3 and 5. Then use the correct property. Then whatever given in the data that one you substitute. Log 5 base 2 is y, log 3 base 2 is x. So we substituted and we got log 15 base 2 as x plus y. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Here is your next question. Log 7.5 base 2. Okay, so here he gave 7.5. In our question we have x equal to log 3 base 2, right? 3 base 2 and y is equals to log 5 base 2. So we should write this 7.5 in terms of 3 and 5 means first we'll remove this decimal. How will you remove this decimal? We should write in p by q form in such a way that write just 7.5 as it is and after decimal how many numbers are there, how many digits are there? There is only one digit, so you put one digit, 10. Okay, so if there are two digits after decimal you just put two zeros here, 100. If three digits after decimal, 1000. Okay, so now I'll write this 7.5 as log 75 by 10 base 2. Okay, now if you observe carefully our x should be in 3, our y should be in 5, right? In these two terms we should have. So here this is the last digit is 5 here and the here last digit is 0. So these two we can divide, right? Means we can cancel it with 5 table because as the last digits are 5 and 0 it is divisible by 5. So I'll cancel and I'll write 5 15s and 5 2s. So your this 7.5 is derived as 75 by 10, then it is converted to 15 by 2. Okay, now this 15 by 2, here if you observe carefully, don't verify the formula, just write whatever expression is there in terms of formula. Instead of 2 here base, I put base as a. Here you have two different numbers, so instead of 15 I wrote x, means instead of y if I wrote instead of 2 if I wrote y, then it is in the formula of log x by y base a. Okay, so here x by y when divided, logarithm will be in minus. Okay, so when multiplied, the logarithm will be plus. Okay, just like the before problem. Into means the logarithm will be distributed as plus. If it is divided by, the logarithm will be distributed as minus. Okay, this you should remember, don't confuse. So this property we should use here, log x by y equal to log x minus log y. Okay, so here x means 15, y means 2. Okay, sorry, y means 2. Now instead of this x, in this formula x you put 15 and instead of y you put 2. Okay, so it will be given like this. So instead of x I wrote 15 here, and instead of this y I wrote 2 here. Okay, now again we'll check whether any formula is used here or not. Here the base and the power are different, 15 base 2. Here these two are different, so we cannot use any formula. Let us see with this one. So log 2 base 2, when the base and the power are equal, like log a base a, then its formula is 1, right? When the base and power are equal, then the formula gives 1. Okay, so be perfect with the formulas. So this 15 I wrote as 3 into 5. Okay, so 15 we can write as 3 into 5, because we should express this log 15, log 7.5 base 2 in terms of x and y, means we should get this x, mean he gave the data that x is log 3 base 2 and y is log 5 base 2. Okay, so you should get here 3 base 2 as well as you should get 5 base 2. Okay, so for that I distributed this, I wrote this 15 in terms of 3 and 5, and log 2 base 2 is equal to 1, right? So here we can use log 2 base 2 as 1, and we can use the formula log x into y as log xy. Okay, log x into y as log x plus log y. So here I gave log 3 base 2 as this one, and in here whenever it is multiplication we should give plus in between and give the logarithm for both of them, plus log 5 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Here only you can give 1, here also directly, here also you can give 1 and you can write here 1 also. Okay, or else if you want to give 3 things at a time, you can do like this. Okay, now I will write, instead of log 3 base 2 he gave it is as x, so I can write x plus here it is y, and log 2 base 2 is 1, because by using this property, so it will be 1. So now our given equation, whatever is there, given expression is derived and written in the terms of x and y, right? You got in x and y and the numerical, right? So this is how you should do the problems. Simple, just write whatever, if it is in decimal form, convert into p by q form. If any cancellation, do that and use the correct property, suitable property. If it is divided by, use minus. Okay, and give logarithm for both of them. And here 15 I can write 3 into 5, because in our given data x is in terms of 3 and y is in terms of 5. So I can write this 15 in terms of 3 and 5, so that I can easily substitute. Instead of this 3 base 2 I can substitute x, and instead of 5 base 2 I can substitute y. Okay, so be perfect with these properties. Here is your next question, log 60 base 2. Okay, so here he gave 60, so do the prime factorization for this 60. Okay, so that the 60 can be written in terms of 3 and 5. Okay, because in the given data he gave x equal to in terms of 3 and y equal to in terms of 5, right? So here he gave only 60. So to write this 60 in terms of 3 and 5, first we want to do the prime factorization for this, so that they can be expressed as a product of 3 and 5. Okay, so 60 Here I have done the prime factorization. You should be perfect with the divisibility rules to do this prime factorization. I'll provide the divisibility rules also in the description. No worries. The properties and the first bit, second bit, as well as the divisibility rules will be given in description. Please don't confuse, don't bother about them. Okay, so now I can write this 60 in terms of like this: 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, 2 into 2 I can write 2 square, right? So this log 60 base 2 can be written as log 2 square into 3 into 5. Okay, so here if you observe, it is multiplication. Whenever multiplication, we should give this logarithm to three of them, as well as we should put plus in between, because multiplication friend is plus. Okay, so log 2 base 2 here plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Okay, this multiplication's friend is plus, and the logarithm will be distributed to three of them. Okay, now here again you have it in the form of power. Okay, power means it goes to the front, because our property is log m base a equal to m log a. Whatever power is there, it will be sent to front. Okay, simple. Whenever multiplication is there, plus will be there. Whenever division is there, minus will be there. And whenever power is there, the power will be sent to the first. Clear? So I can write this log 2 base 2, this one, as now I send this 2 here, so that I can write 2 log 2 base 2, right? So 2 log 2 base 2, this I wrote as it is, because here it is only one power, no need to write this one. If it is like this, you should send this one here. Clear? So now here the base and the power are equal, so you'll get as 1, and he gave the data that this is x and this is y. So instead of 3 base 2 I can write x, instead of 5 base 2 I can write y. Simple, right? So log a base a is equal to 1. Now 2 into 1 here, this one has given x, and here log 5 base 2 is given as y. So I have substituted. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus x plus y. Now log 60 base 2 is written as 2 plus x plus y, means it is written in terms of x and y, right? And this is a numerical. Okay, so let us go to the next problem. So here is your next question. Log 6750 base 2. Okay, 6750 base 2. So here, to write in terms of 2, 3 and 5, we should do the prime factorization for this 3750, right? So prime factorization of 3750 is given like this. Now instead of 3750, you write this, the product of the exponents. Okay, so instead of 6750, I wrote here 2 came once, so I wrote 1 2. Here 3 came thrice, so 3 cube, and 5 came thrice, so it is 5 cube. Okay, now here also you have into in between. Logarithm with into means into friend is plus, so give logarithm for 3 of them, and in between you should put plus. Okay, so log 2 base 2 plus log 3 cube base 2 log 5 cube base 2, because we are using this property log xy equal to log x plus log y. Okay, here we have one formula that we can use here. Here if you observe, there are two powers here. Okay, so I'll send this here, because our formula is log m base a equal to m log a. Okay, if you observe the formula here, whenever power is there, the power will be sent front. Okay, so this 3 will be sent front, as well as this 5 will be sent front, because he gave log 3 base 2 is x and log 5 base 2 as y. That's it. We got the formula, right? We got in terms of x and y. This 2 base 2 we can write as 1, because our log a base a equal to 1, right? So instead of log 2 base 2 I can write 1, and this 3 I'll send to the front, because I'm using this property here, and this 3 also I'm sending to front, because the same formula is used here. Okay, so 1 plus here log 3 base 2 is x and log 5 base 2 is y. Okay, now we got the expression in terms of x and y, 3x plus 3y plus 1, right? So this is all about your exercise 1.5 third bit. So I hope you understood this video. Learn the properties perfectly. If you learn the properties, it is very easy to solve any type of logarithm problem. Okay, just practice you should do. If you are doing more practice, then you can solve any type of problem. The properties, the divisibility rules, and the other bits, other problems are given in the description. Please follow them. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.